Come on. Jeffrey, welcome to the Bold Collaboration. We are here on the 10th floor, Suite 1078. Very excited to be here, almost like a working case study where this product in this showroom did not exist 8 weeks ago. So 8 weeks start to finish, everything you see in here. So the Bold companies debuting and have submitted to finalists in the HIP Awards is the Retrieve Table. So the Retrieve Table line is an incredible story of upcycled design. So when I say upcycled, all the bands of material that you see here on the top, Retrieve, is dropped from the plant. So we're mass producing all these different materials every day. So instead of throwing them out, we have figured out a way to, through good design, turn these things into a total upcycled top, including Corian. So we have our own Corian fabrication plant. These are recycled content, about 50% channeled steel legs, and they are coated with a 100% reclaimed recycled powder. So you'll see throughout this space reclaimed, recycled materials and recycled powder coats. So completely upcycled design. Oh, I should say, look at this. Right here in the front window, there are 8 of these laid up. Eric Schrader over there, wave Eric. Hello. There he is. One of our industrial designers has a friend here in Chicago that's a fine artist. So during the show, there will be live performance art happening right here. So it'll be 8 pieces, and then there will be a drawing and a giveaway. And 8 lucky people will get a one-of-a-kind piece of art / furniture. Come on in, Jeff. So you've already met Eric over there. One of the mainstays of the Bold companies has been developing really cool mixed materials, so high content of mixed materials, but incredible design and bold furniture right there. Behind it, I'm going to, new design genre, Scandi boho. We just made that up just now. But mixed materials, so stone top, white oak timber, completely customized. It's called an Ivy station. So this can be used in a collaborative space. It can be used as a reception desk. We do a ton of reception areas. And then behind here, you can see more mixed materials. So those are lockers with digi-locks, blind shelving. So that shelving is another upcycled product. So we're making blind shelving out of drop from the plant. And then we spin around over here, and this is a concept launch. So we do a lot of work with Joey Reiter, who's become quite a prolific designer in our industry. And we are collaborating on a couple of collections, and it is all about kind of human-centered open plan environment. So very recognizable, simple forms, but when you put them all together, they create a quite elegant workstation or a collaborative space. These are 4-post Parsons tables that can either be used, as you see it here, in a workstation. We'll have a variety of screening options, or you can take this product here and put it in an open area, a Parsons table, and up to 168 inches long. And you can drive that Parsons table for upwards of 4 days, or you can run a complete multi-shift day, including all of your computer equipment off of a battery charge. So it can be completely untethered and pop it back in there. Or you can combine it with this little rail bench. We've not even named it yet, but this is a non-system, or is a systems furniture power distribution that is plug-in feed. So there's built-in surge suppression. We can literally run 8 to 10 workstations off of a 20 amp cord. That's very unique and new technology. So super simple, clean form language, new open plan product called Bold 4. Okay? Still rolling, Jeff?
Yep.
The original collection was called Juxtapose. So again, high mixed material content. Here you see a Baltic ply core with some nice unique colors, but this is really a light scale, I would say Juxtapose 2.0, so Scandi modern. And when you look at this kind of visual statement of line, and all good Scandi design is that all of the horizontal lines are perfectly flush and incredible price points. Then we come over here. Can we do a cut, Jeff? Here we go. So a relaunch of Bold 1. So this was the flagship product that was designed by Joey Reiter. It was launched in 2014. And it won a gold award at the show. So now it's being relaunched. So this is Bold 1 2.0. And it has a accompanying credenza that's fixed tight. And we've kind of lightened up the power, actually the drawers, and integrated some slick embedded power systems. So Bold 1 2.0. Very unique, very different. So it's paired with a variety of screens. More to come on that, more screens. This is a super cool example of what I say not dot design. So no one thing does one thing. And so this is actually decentralized trash, yin yang storage, slick little shelving units just with an overstrap. So it is my trash recycling, it's my storage, it's my privacy screen, and this is an actual cork insert. So it's the full depth, and you can put a full pin in there. So, beautiful. It's up for an award, and we shall see what happens. This is part of the Bold Fundamentals collection, and it is a kind of VE entry-level product, and you'll notice the scale of everything is quite small, but still elegant. This product is called Wyoming, very creative because it was developed for the University of Wyoming. So a complete customization. And what's neat about it is that it kind of demonstrates the mixed materials, multi-material story. So we have, high pressure laminate, custom metal capabilities, white oak veneers, marker board HPL, and it all comes in, in a price point that's similar to, others that would just be high pressure laminate. So mixed materials at a laminate price point, but totally custom. All right, here we go. So this is the Bold Collaborative. So the pieces in here are incredibly unique. We have a high use of touch latch mechanisms, so no pulls, no hardware. And during COVID time, these were actually copper, so the copper nitrate made them antimicrobial. So, and that's still an option, so pretty cool. This is Corian, so manufactured in our own plant and field installed and seamed by our own people. And so what's cool about it, I've got this monolithic looking piece of work surface, and then I have a monolithic looking steel base. And the way that you do that is fill and grind, so everything there looks like almost a carved soft monolithic part. And it is also utilizing recycled powder coat and recycled content in the steel. So heavy environmental story here. Same guy here, except for it's shorter, with a gray material. So more solid surface. Segue into this area, so the Bold Collaborative. And what you see again is high mixed materials. So this is an ebonized white oak and ebonized ash. So ash with the same story on the powder coat, except for, see the nice green color? We can now pull up basically any RAL in any sheen, so matte, you know, standard issue, or high gloss, which is very cool and new. Swinging in right over here. Another great demonstration of mixed material. So once again, we have a channeled steel tube with recycled content, recycled powder coat, full grain walnut veneer, and on top of it, in some fun color strings, is powder coated MDF. So mixed material, high thing of beauty. Last thing I got over here, incredibly unique. So we are the only furniture manufacturer that this company will work with. So it is called the Antique River Logs. And what this is old growth logs that are submerged in the mud in the Mississippi River and rivers down in Kentucky and Ohio. Our guy will go in and probe, find the log, then they'll dredge it up, and every single one of these has a different characteristic, so different patinas. You can see on this guy, it's now on a piece of furniture. We have a beautiful modern record player cabinet here that Eric designed. It's got its own cool, unique pulls, antique river log veneers, and then on top is antique river log lampshades. We'll see what happens with those. But main story is the usage of incredibly unique materials, so at affordable price points, but bringing on the full capabilities of mass customization and the combined, I would say, about a 1.1 million square feet of vertical integration and just about any discipline you can imagine. The new Bold.